Hello. So, this is my, first video. So, I'm just going to do introductions. I'll start off with what I'm going to be doing here. Well, if you're watching this, and at least I am going to be trying out different types of games, basically, and I'm just giving okay, so yeah, I'm back. Oh, come here. My little sister just came downstairs. She might want to say hello to you. Come on, Belle. Come on. What are you doing? What? Okay. Would you like to say hello to, if people are watching this?
Hello.
Yeah, and that's my sister. Making my introduction video. How about you? Go on.
Tomorrow we're going to the cinemas to watch the Lion King.
Sounds fun.
If you're having a nice day or a nice night, make sure to like and subscribe.
You don't have to, but it would be helpful. Anyway, back to the introduction.
Introduction time.
Belle, you should go sleep.
No.
My favourite colour is red. Well, pink. Don't laugh. Yeah? Wait until I'm finished, okay, baby? Yeah.
Yay!
Okay. And we'll be trying out different games, like, say for example, yeah, Human Flatfall. Maybe. There's so many that I think you'll like. Oh, and it's
Comment down below which one you want us to do first.
actually, yeah, that'll be helpful. Now,
I'll give you 5 seconds.
no, Belle. Belle. Oh my god. Anyway, we will be trying out different things, and if you don't like it, you can tell me. Then we'll try a different game.
How does it supposed to tell you?
Comments.
Yeah, but what's the comment about?
I don't know.
You
But other than that, I don't think you should share your name on YouTube, Belle. But other than that,
just share my name, you cheeky aboo.
I called you Belle, not your name. Anyway,
Oh, you will.
I'm going to be trying my best on this. I know I know it may look bad, or it might not sound good because,
This is a new laptop, by the way.
because it's my first video. So be nice. Other than that, I don't think I have anything else I need to tell you. So what? So other than that,
Like.
I would say
Best pizza.
there is really nothing else I can say. So how about we get into a game? Yeah? Go on then. I actually haven't thought of that.
Why don't you call it
Goo.
because I was gonna call him subscribe now.
Well, just no. Oh, actually, yes, this is mine.
Ew.
Hey, don't ew it. It's nice.
Oh,
Okay. Night, Bella. Night, Bella.
you keep your filthiness lips off.
Okay. Anyway, let's get into our first game. Of course, I'm not good, so don't even
I'm the
mention
main
it.
person of the YouTube channel.
Go upstairs.
Aaron James Molan is in the bin. Isabella win.
And there goes my name. Okay. Good night, Bella.
No.
You need to go bed. Go to bed, yeah? Oh, just shake your head at me. Go to bed. Okay, tough crowd. Go to bed. Go. Let me finish. Go to bed. Go to bed and go to bed, and I'll let you play a match tomorrow. No! Okay, well, you can tell you're tired, but I can't.
I'm not tired.
I'm new to laptop, so I will be bad by.
No,
My mic's away.
no, he's not, because he's been on his small, ugly PC.
Anyway, let me just think. Yeah. Yeah? What do you mean?
The other. By the way, guys, there was Santa Glider in Fortnite when it's not Christmas.
God. Yeah, Belle.
Why?
Well, I think you should get bed. It's getting very late.
Why are you doing a YouTube video?
Because it would be the perfect time.
Yeah, but
I'll let you do that tomorrow, okay?
No.
I'll let you make your own full video. Yeah? What? Why do I always get snipers first? Yeah. Belle, one thing. You're way too young for cooking. Belle. Belle, you're 7. You're way too young for anything. It doesn't matter what your age is. Yeah? Go on. Oh, sorry. I can't fix the screen. It's gone a little wonky, so you won't be able to see a little of the top part. Go on. Belle, just make it quick. Belle, you need to go to bed. There's some information I don't want out on the internet. No, you cannot. Get out. Get out, Belle. Just go to bed. It's getting too late for you. Belle, you realise how much older I am than you? And plus, it's getting too late for you, Belle. You need to be up. You need to be up for Jumanji tomorrow, don't you? What? Fun. Damn. Does anyone know why it's all foggy now? Belle, go to bed. Trust me. If you wake up tomorrow, then you'll be feeling bad if you don't go to bed. Obviously I'm very bad, so no, Belle, no. Okay, Belle, go to bed. It's getting way too late for you. Okay then. I think that's been enough, well, game for me. Hold on. I think I can fix the screen. Nope. Oh, wrong button. How do I get off? Oh, escape. Turn to lobby. Okay then. I mean, it's been fun.